Hello guys, today we're gonna make a simple Arduino project. We're gonna make traffic lights. It's one of the simplest projects and it's very beginner friendly. We're gonna use 3 LED lights. I don't have yellow, so I will be using blue instead of yellow. You need Arduino Uno, USB cable, you need 4 jumper wires and 3 resistors, 220 ohms. If you're not sure, you can check the colors here. Okay, let's start. Okay, I'm putting the green LED first and the shorter leg will go first. Okay, shorter, longer, shorter, longer. Okay, now we're gonna put resistors. They're gonna go on shorter leg side. Okay. Okay. They are too small. Okay. And now we're gonna connect jumper wires to Arduino. We're gonna use digital pins. I'm gonna use pins 10, 9 and 8. 8 will be green. And we are connecting longer leg to pin 8. Okay. 9 will go to the blue and 10 will go to the red. Okay, and now we are connecting resistors to the ground pin on Arduino. There are 3 ground pins. You can use whatever you want. Okay, and now we're gonna connect Arduino to LED. Okay. I have code already running. I will show you here. Okay. You define pins here. Red LED is for 10, 9 blue LED and green 8. And you can here change delays for the lights. This code will be in the link below. If you like it, give me thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.